Anywhere you're watching me, you don't say anything about who I am. I'm a very dangerous man. My miracle is not what you can explain. You are far from the kingdom of the Almighty Jesus.